The 2026 Marquis Mirage Aluminum 2-horse trailer is designed to provide a safe, comfortable, and reliable transportation solution for horse owners. Built with durable aluminum construction and a bumper pull design, this trailer offers excellent towing performance while maintaining a lightweight yet strong structure. Its spacious layout comfortably accommodates 2 horses and includes a well-equipped dressing room for added convenience. The front dressing room features carpeted flooring, 3 saddle racks, dome lighting, a roof vent, a sliding window, and a screen door, creating a practical space for storing tack and riding equipment. Inside the horse area, rubber-lined kick walls, floor mats, and padded dividers help enhance safety and comfort during transport. Additional features such as torsion axles and a spare tire contribute to a smoother ride and greater peace of mind on the road. Whether you're traveling to competitions, trail rides, or daily equestrian activities, the WW Marquis Mirage delivers the quality, comfort, and functionality horse owners expect. Its thoughtful design makes loading, transporting, and caring for your horses easier and more efficient. Ready to hit the road with confidence? Contact us today for pricing, financing options, and availability. Secure your 2026 Marquis Mirage horse trailer before it's gone.